nag-react si Mayor Junard Ahong Chan of Lapu-Lapu and demanded an apology for Easy Meal for misrepresenting the national hero.
Yes, taga-Olonga po kasi ako. So, yung national statue namin is actually ulo ng Apo. So, si Apo po noon was like, parang as a kid, yung likeness po nila na, mga ninuno natin that holds spears and shields and yung naka-igorot dressing.
Bahag.
Yes, nakabahag. So akala ko, I didn't know na kung ano kasi hindi naman po na-point out sa mga books natin kung ano yung reason of death. Or hindi ko na-search at the time na nagsusulat ako. And
Pero saan mo nakuha yung idea na yun, yung pinugutan ng ulo?
kasi yun po yung kung paano namatay